Are you talking to the camera? Go ahead. Yeah? You're getting a little chatty, aren't you? Mm-hmm. A little less camera shy? Can you say, "Hi, Daddy, I love you"? Go ahead. "Hi, Daddy, I love you." Yeah. Yeah, you can say it. Sweet Cecily. Are you Mama's sweet angel baby? What are you looking at? Cecily. Hi, baby. Hey, look over here. Look at those long eyelashes. Look at those long eyelashes. Are you my sweet angel? Oh. Where did you learn to do that? Say hi, Daddy. Kisses and hugs. We love you. Ooh. Okay, tell him one more time so I can turn the camera off. One more time. Yeah. You go ahead. You can tell him. Say, "I'm a happy baby. I have a dry diaper on." Yes, you're so sweet. Mama loves you. Daddy loves you too. Okay, that's enough fun for now.